Hi, Aaron Powell. I'm the Fleet Director for Speedy Asset Services, and Lloyds British is a division of Speedy Asset Services, and they do hoist checking and tail lift servicing.
So the Lloyds British fleet are on the road all day, every day to service our customers' requirements. Downtime of those vehicles is critical, and when those vehicles are off the road, our engineers are off the road. Ford Pro Telematics Essentials is essential to the Speedy business to help us reduce our downtime. How does it do that? We're enabling our staff to log into the system to see the vehicle's live data. From there, we can then use the mobile service teams to visit our engineers and repair our vehicles, service our vehicles, check defects, do recalls, or anything they want at a time and location that's beneficial to our engineers. We can reduce downtime from 3 days to 2 hours. So as a company, it's helped us reduce our downtime by 62 days. Where do I get 62 days from? Because to take a vehicle into a garage would mean I'd have to get another engineer to follow that driver to the garage to pick him up. That engineer then on the day the vehicle's getting serviced can't do his own work. And then the next day, the third day, another engineer is going to have to go and pick him up.
Mobile service is fantastic because we don't have to have the vehicle off the road. We don't have to book it into a dealer. So the mobile service is great. It turns up, it gets the job done, and whilst our driver's still working and doing what he needs to do as well. So the lessons we've learned is that it works really, really well. It stops our vehicles being off the road. We'll roll it out across the rest of the business gradually. We'll start with powered access next, and then we'll put it into the tools business as well.
By having the Ford mobile service team attend the location at a time that's convenient for the Speedy Lloyds British engineers means that there's no downtime either side, and some jobs can even get done while our engineer is doing his, so they don't even notice there's been any downtime.